Hey guys, it's Hassy Trades here, and yes, I'm back guys, I'm back. I've been away this last week as I've been quite ill, but I'm back now and I will get out as much content as possible for you guys in the next coming few weeks, and let's have a great end to this year. But in this video, I will be going over my watch list for the upcoming week, so let's get right into it guys. This week is huge guys, with CPI on FOMC. I'll cover this on the next video, but let's go over the SPY chart and explain the range we are in. As you can see here guys, this daily chart is quite significant to our move, because every time we have rejected this chart, we've made a huge move to the downside. The first time here, we went all the way down to 410 from 480, and then another move from here, 460, went all the way down and we hit 392. Then we retested the trend for 431, we went all the way down to 2022 lows, 355, and then now we're retesting this trend. So it's key to understand that we could be going for a flush, especially if CPI and FOMC come in bad. What I'm expecting is interest rates may not be as aggressive, which is what they indicate in the last meeting. And CPI, obviously, it might not come in as hot. So hopefully that is the case. But if it does, we should be prepared under 390 for a pullback all the way to 374, 370. And if worse comes to worse, 350s. So be prepared, guys. Now moving on to the first stock I'm watching, guys. Into next week, small cap Smmt. Let's just move into this stock guys. But I'm watching this chart, I quite like this chart. It's stair stepping towards the upside, but if you guys look here guys, we are currently in the Elliott wave phase. So we had our first initial run up towards here, now we had a pullback, then another run up, that's two, and now we're currently pushing again, and we have the other pullback. So it's creating that next leg towards the upside. We've got quite a few buyers stepping in as well, and the volume profile is showing me back above 410 level. We could clear this level quite fast and push 4.5 plus, because if you look at the daily chart here guys, daily chart is quite clean. It's got quite a bit of room, especially if we break above this 4.75 area. We could be going ahead and testing this 5.3 range. Above 5.75 we're gonna clear and hit 6.2 quite fast. So this chart is still quite clean, and I do like this chart into next week, so I've got an eye on it because we have created higher lows, etc. So this is definitely one to watch into next week guys. Another stock I'm watching is the legendary guys Cosm. What I'm waiting on this guys is I want some PR. I want the CEO to come out and give us some sort of good news on this. But as you can see here guys, we have formed a double bottom, long leg dojis. So this has indicated a buyer stepping in. Again, we're getting some nice candles in this area. There is a lot of demand, but we have also produced a bit of a wedge within this symmetrical triangle. So these are bullish signs. However, I'm not too fond until we get above this 0.4, 0.55 area. Above this we should test 0.55, and above 0.55 we will look quite good, especially into this 0.69 range. If we get above this 0.65 range, this is going to go all the way back and test 0.88, which would be pivotal. So guys, make sure if we do break and we do push, you do be scaling along the way, because you don't want to end up back holding. You can't trust anyone, even though I do have a lot of belief in this. I do like Cosm, I like everything about it, but it's always good to secure some profits along the way guys. So I'm hoping for this to have a run up this week, and it's vital that it does run up. And finally guys, the main stock, the 1000% run up on Friday, AM. We banked 300% on this guys, 300% in the Discord group, and look, bang, that run up was crazy, from 0.4, 0.5 all the way to 4.8. Actually alerted this on Twitter guys, so if you look here, that's my alert on Twitter. But what I'm looking for on this is, it's not the greatest setup, don't get me wrong, but it's one of those plays that will just run when they have to run. So back above maybe it's $4 area, 3.8 area, we should see another spike and push back towards 4.77. It's key to understand this does halt a lot. It has a tendency to halt, so it's key to be careful on that. I wouldn't rush it with too many shares, but I'll wait for a setup intraday. Let's just look at the daily levels for you guys as well, just to show you how clean this chart is. But if you look here guys, it's very clean. There's not a lot of volume going into this chart. Again, if you do get back above this 5.1 area, bang, this is gonna clear fast, and we could see 7.78 very fast. So this is a stock I will be watching as well. But yeah guys, those are the main three stocks I'm watching, as well as FOMC and CPI. This will be a very important week ahead. So what I do recommend is sizing down, trading on the back foot, and being careful. Hopefully guys will have a great week. If you want to join the Discord for alerts, education, there's a link below to sign up. And yeah, I'll catch you guys Monday. Let's have a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more, hit the like button, subscribe, and peace out guys.